Welcome to Inside Elegance. Today, we're embracing the beauty of seasonal change by transitioning your farmhouse decor from cozy winter vibes to the fresh, lively spirit of spring. Whether you're a seasoned decorator or looking for some simple ideas, this video will guide you through creative and achievable tips to breathe life into your home. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you love farmhouse style decor. Leave us a comment below with your favorite seasonal decorating tip. We'd love to hear from you. Let's get started. Start your spring transformation by swapping out the deep, warm tones of winter for soft pastels, whites, and natural hues. Think light sage greens, buttery yellows, and soft blues. These colors can be introduced through throw pillows, blankets, or even a fresh coat of paint on a small piece of furniture. Layer your decor with neutral elements like wicker baskets, cream-colored textiles, and light wood accents to maintain the rustic charm of farmhouse style. This subtle shift in color palette immediately brings a sense of renewal to your space. One of the easiest ways to refresh your decor is by incorporating greenery. Swap out the pine cones and winter garlands for eucalyptus sprigs, faux lavender, or fresh tulips in mason jars. These simple additions bring life and energy to any room. Don't be afraid to go big with a faux fiddle leaf fig tree or create a charming tablescape with small potted herbs like basil and rosemary. Greenery adds a breath of fresh air that's perfect for springtime. Your entryway sets the tone for the rest of your home, so make it welcoming. Swap out heavy winter wreaths for ones made with grapevines, adorned with soft blossoms and greenery. Hang it on a distressed wooden board or directly on your front door. Add a vintage bench or a simple console table styled with a galvanized bucket of flowers, a light linen runner, and perhaps a pair of rain boots to capture that spring farmhouse vibe. This space is your opportunity to make a cheerful first impression. To brighten up your living room, replace winter throws with lighter, breathable fabrics like cotton or linen. Choose pastel or floral patterns to complement your spring theme. Layer these on your couches and armchairs to create a cozy but fresh look. You can also update your coffee table decor with a tray styled with a stack of vintage books, a small plant, and a scented candle in a spring fragrance like lilac or citrus. The goal is to create a light, inviting space perfect for the season. Spring is all about gathering and fresh beginnings, so your dining table should reflect that. Start with a neutral table runner, then layer it with a vase of fresh flowers or faux stems in pastel tones. You can also add simple chargers or placemats for a finished look. Consider incorporating elements like ceramic pitchers, enamelware, or rustic wooden bowls filled with faux eggs or seasonal fruits. These touches bring a farmhouse charm that feels both elegant and approachable. In the kitchen, a simple way to celebrate spring is by displaying fresh produce in a woven basket or tiered tray. Lemons, limes, and oranges not only look vibrant but also add a fresh scent to the space. Switch out your winter tea towels for ones with floral or checkered patterns, and place a small bouquet of flowers on your countertop or windowsill. These small updates make your kitchen feel alive and ready for springtime cooking. For the bedroom, start by changing out heavy winter bedding for lighter quilts or duvets in soft spring colors. Add decorative pillows with floral patterns or lace details to bring a fresh, romantic vibe. Finish the look with a farmhouse-style vase filled with fresh or faux flowers on your nightstand or dresser. This touch will make your bedroom a serene and rejuvenating retreat. small spaces like the bathroom can benefit from seasonal updates. Swap out your wintry hand towels for ones with soft floral or striped patterns. Add a small potted plant or a vase with a single stem of eucalyptus for a spa-like touch. Consider using lightly scented soaps or candles and fragrances like lavender or jasmine to complete the transformation. These small details create a welcoming and refreshed space for both you and your guests. As the weather warms, your porch or patio becomes a natural extension of your home. Decorate with potted plants, hanging baskets, or a charming watering can filled with faux flowers for a farmhouse-inspired look. Add cozy seating with cushions in spring-themed patterns and a throw blanket for those cooler evenings. Don't forget a farmhouse lantern or string lights to complete the ambience. Spring is a great time to get creative. Consider upcycling old jars into vases or painting an old wooden crate to use as a planter. These projects not only save money but also add a personal touch to your decor. Another idea is to create a DIY wreath with faux flowers and greenery. This can be a fun weekend project and will be a lovely addition to your spring decor. Thank you so much for joining us on Inside Elegance today. We hope these tips inspire you to refresh your home and welcome the beauty of spring into your farmhouse-style decor. Remember, it's all about embracing the charm of the season while keeping things cozy and functional. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and leave a comment below. We can't wait to hear your favorite spring decorating ideas. Until next time, happy decorating, and we'll see you in the next video.